Hey, welcome to another Illustrator tutorial. This is a very quick one today. I wanted to talk to you about drop shadows. Now, we're used to using drop shadows in Photoshop, right? I use them all the time there. But did you know you can use them in Illustrator? And they're very, very simple to create. So before we get started, I wanted to make sure that you knew that I send out free things along with information about all the cool programs that we've got going on to my courses VIP group. So you can join that at karinagardner.com. You're not going to want to miss out on that. I send out one email per week for that, and it always has something new or something free in it. So go check that out. All right, let's get started. I've already put a rectangle on my artboard because this is very simple. And if you're already an Illustrator messing around building things, this is going to be a great trick for you. So make sure that you're highlighted using your selection tool to your rectangle or square, okay? And what we're going to do is go up to Effect and Stylize and go to Drop Shadow. Okay, so you'll notice here that it automatically gives me a preview of the drop shadow I'm using. So this is where you're going to want to make some adjustments. This is personal preference, so you'll have to decide. I tend to take my opacities a little bit lower on things. You can change your offset, and I'm doing that right here so you can kind of see those changes, and then you can change the blur. I actually think this looks pretty good. I'm going to leave it and push OK. And there it is. There's your drop shadow, okay? And it's going to follow this object around, okay? So simple, right? So if you have something or you're creating templates or web design pieces or whatever in Illustrator, this is an easy way to go. Pretty simple, right? Okay, make sure and check out all the great things I've got going on at karinagardner.com, especially if you're looking for my design boot camps or you want to become part of Ink Club, which is my membership group, and I will see you soon.